Could a conflict rooted deep within the annals of history ever find resolution? This is the question that has loomed over the Israel-Palestine conflict for well over a century. A tale of two nations and one land, where religion, identity, and politics intertwine in a complex dance of power and resistance. Our story begins in the late 19th century, when Jewish immigrants, seeking a home away from the anti-Semitic waves of Europe, began to settle in the region then controlled by the Ottoman Empire. As Jewish immigration swelled, so too did the tension with the Arab population, setting the stage for intercommunal violence and clashes. Fast forward to 1947, when the United Nations proposed a plan to partition the land into separate Jewish and Arab states. Jewish leaders accepted, Arab leaders rejected, and the seeds of the conflict were sown. The following Arab-Israeli War of 1948 saw the birth of the State of Israel and the displacement of hundreds of thousands of Palestinians, who found themselves refugees in neighboring Arab countries. The decades that followed were marred by further conflicts. The Six-Day War in 1967 led to Israel's occupation of the West Bank, Gaza Strip, and other territories, deepening the Palestinian refugee crisis and fueling resentment and resistance towards Israel. At the heart of this conflict lie core issues: the status of Jerusalem, the contours of a future Palestinian state, the rights of Palestinian refugees, and the Israeli settlement expansion in the occupied territories. Despite numerous diplomatic initiatives, including the 1993 Oslo Accords and subsequent peace talks, a lasting agreement has remained elusive. The international community has made concerted efforts to broker peace and support a two-state solution, but deep divisions and mistrust persist on both sides. The Israel-Palestine conflict has wrought significant humanitarian consequences. Continuous cycles of violence, displacement, and restrictions on movement have become the harsh reality for many Palestinians in the occupied territories. Wars and military confrontations have become all too common, with the wars in Gaza and the ongoing clashes in Jerusalem and the West Bank serving as grim reminders of the volatile situation. Yet, amidst the turmoil, there are glimmers of hope. Civil society and grassroots movements have taken up the mantle to advocate for peace, coexistence, and human rights. They underscore the need for dialogue, reconciliation, and mutual recognition. The Israel-Palestine conflict is a stark and painful reality, with both Israelis and Palestinians bearing the brunt of ongoing violence, insecurity, and a lack of resolution. Yet, the hope for a peaceful and just solution persists. It calls for bold leadership, political will, and a genuine commitment to addressing the grievances and aspirations of both peoples. The situation is complex, and the path to peace is fraught with obstacles. Yet, the pursuit of a just and lasting resolution to the conflict, one that respects the rights and dignity of all involved, remains as critical as ever.